One time for the Jamaican mechanic. I wanted to give a quick review here on this plastic welding gun. It is amazing. See, I love a tool that is a beast, and I'm just going to put it to work for you really quick and just show you what it can do. All right, as it states, you pull the trigger. Okay, that's all you got to do. Pull the trigger. You put this in here. Just watch this here. Okay, watch me now. Okay. Okay. All this thing here is some metal. It's going to get heated up. And this thing is amazing. It can fix any kind of plastic crack. And you can do some repairs and save any kind of machinery that we've thrown out over the years, that we've wasted time and money when you could have just done an easy repair. Now watch this. I'm going to hold the trigger for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see it. It's getting pretty hot. And I'm going to do this repair right here on this crack that I have. Watch as it goes down and embeds itself. Okay? Then you hold it there. 1, 2 seconds. 3, 4. Good enough. Pull it out. And what you see there is that was a crack. This whole machine was jacked up. And now I'm able to fix that crack, bring this thing right back to life, save myself a whole lot of money. Because when this thing was on operation, obviously it was malfunctioning. This thing is a lifesaver. This thing is a lifesaver. Get one. You need one. And it's solid, good tools.
Staple into it. Hold it up to where you're trying to repair. Start the gun. Let it burn in. Let off the trigger. Let it cool for about 15 seconds. Pull it out. Grab your next staple. Put it in. Place it. Engage the trigger. Let it melt in. Go to the depth you want. Let off the trigger. Let it cool for about 15 seconds. Pull it out. Pretty effective for repairing the slide. The kit comes with lots of filler rods, so we're going to snip off all these little extensions and then fill it up with filler rod on the top side, and it should be good.
A cracked discharge chute for my zero turn, and put the clip in. This is the big wavy clip. Place it over the crack. Make sure you straddled over the crack. Pull the trigger, and it melts in seconds. Don't go all the way through the plastic. Just let it cool a little bit. Work your way down. It's already paid for itself. This discharge chute costs $75. It's a good tool.
No funciona bien, no calienta, solo prende el foco, pero no calienta. Está conectado, ¿no?